Hello friends, today I want to guide you about AI phone agent automated calling outbound or inbound using vapi.ai and make.com. So how you can harness the power of AI phone agent. It will directly connect with your leads and discuss whatever you have written in your script. So I want to show you right now. You can check vapi.ai. So first you have to go to this vapi.ai link given in the description. Okay, click this link, create your account, and then you can create the assistant. This is the assistant. You can use the blank template, within the minimal configuration. Okay, otherwise you can set the ready-made also, but here I prefer, I have selected the blank and I written the script by myself. Okay, so you can just first you have to create the assistant. So first of all, this is a greeting, this is a greeting, and this is a script and closing. So opening script, conversation, and closing script. Okay, and then you have to select the provider model, whatever perfect for you, you can select, and then you can select the voice assistant. So 11 Lab, Play, Deepgram, OpenAI, any kind of for voice. If you use 11labs.com, and here is the voice. If you want to use the custom voice, then add voice ID manually. So you have to go to 11 labs, then create your voice, clone your voice. Otherwise you can select the Indian voice, French voice, Chinese voice there, and then select that ID and put here. Okay, so like if you click here, add the voice ID, then you can put the voice ID here. Okay, same thing. So right now I am not using custom, I am using a real. Okay, real voice. Anybody, this voice I have selected, and voice you have selected voice assistant, voice and script. Okay, it means female or male voice, and then you have to create the phone number. Okay, so create a phone number. Either you can use the free VAPI number. From here you can select the number this way, so you will get this number. Okay, so right now see, this area code is currently not available. Here try one of the, it means you have to select the other number 760, or so you can get the number. Okay, if you want to use the Twilio, then you can import the Twilio number. So I will guide how to do, just to comment it, I will guide how to do SID and token. Okay, so you need assistant, you need phone number, that's it. And then if you want a further automation, and now I want to teach you, and you can check this assistant is ready. Okay, this assistant and phone agent. Okay, now let's start and let's check it. So assistant connected with the mobile number, so let's start and talk with him. So right now it is connecting, and then once it's
Hi, I am Mahendra Patel from Demo T and Medical Exam Academy.
Okay.
How are you today?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Assist.
I'm fine.
That's great to hear. Are you currently looking for the best IIT coaching institutes
Yes.
to help you prepare?
Yes, I am looking.
That's wonderful. Our institute has a proven track record of success in helping students like you. Can I ask, which competitive exam are you most focused on preparing for?
I am focusing on JEE IIT exam.
Perfect. Our coaching program is specifically designed for JEE aspirants, covering all the necessary subjects and providing practice tests.
So I have tested it, and now I want to close this call, and this call, and I will select the phone number. Okay, and then we have to automate. So we have to bulk outbound calling. It is called calling script. So I got the VAPI, and then now make.com. Just open the make.com, and just this is a Google Sheet for demo. Okay, this is a demo Google Sheet. This is a 2 lead and 2 number, and then I have select this. You have to just add the Google Sheet, select the sheet, and then from your sheet you need a phone number and name. phone number, name and phone number you need, two parameter, okay, and then save it, and then all the data goes to array aggregator. So you have to add the array aggregator, okay. So how to add the array aggregator, you can check here like this. Here you have to, I want to teach you how. You can go here and just type agree, array aggregator, see, like this, array aggregator, okay. And then this is array aggregator. You have to select the Google Sheet and then select the total number of bundle order position, row number, okay. And then you have to select that this is the data. You will get this data from Google Sheet and array aggregator, and it data passed to the API to iterator. Here you can select the array. So all data, can you check? See, all data comes here, okay. So this is the data movement from Excel sheet to Mac, and then they use the key. See, this is API key for VAPI. This is my name, and here you can check the API key. This is API key. You can just copy it and paste here, okay. And then assistant ID. So you can get the assistant ID from here. Copy it and paste it, okay, here. So now this is the data and this is API key. So combine together and hit the VAPI outbound call API. So in VAPI outbound call API, you have to just select the add button and add the API key, okay. And then here you can select the assistant ID and phone number name, and then phone number ID. So here is the phone number ID. Here is the phone number ID. You can select copy and here the paste and then save it. So whatever leads you put inside the Google Sheet, like if you set the 100 leads, so one by one Mac.com start automation and calling using VAPI, okay. So if you want to learn more about it, then you can comment it. If you want to know about more, and then you can ask me. If you want to set up your own AI phone agent, and if you want to learn, and if you want to set up for real estate appointment setting, lead scoring, student calling, loan calling, any kind of automation, hotel reservation, hospital receptionist, any kind of automation you want, outbound or inbound customer support, then you can comment below, okay. Thank you very much.